Diversi Ministri Ewropej li t-Tlieta filgħodu kienu f'Malta għal-laqgħa informali tal-Kunsill għall-Affarijiet Ġenerali kellhom diskors komuni dwar il-prijoritajiet li qed timbotta Malta f'dawn is-sitt xhur ta' Presidenza tal-Kunsill tal-Unjoni Ewropea. Għalihom dawn huma prijoritajiet li jħossuhom tagħhom u li huma determinati li jaħdmu fuqhom għaż-żmien li ġej.
Maltese priorities are our priorities. They are excellent and we want to closely cooperate with the Maltese government to achieve those priorities.
It's an ambitious agenda, but I think the Maltese will make a very good chairmanship now and presidency for the next 6 months because they've picked issues that affect obviously not just the people of Malta but the whole continent.
Well, we are going to listen to our Maltese friends, what priorities they have for the 6 months we've been working with them in trio. I represent Slovakia and I can say that this is a very good program and priorities are obviously focused on the most important and pressing issues. So I think Maltese presidency will get a full-fledged support of 28 member states.
Fuq kollox huma u deħlina l-ewwel laqgħa informali f'pajjiżna, diversi ministri tkellmu kif minn Malta jridu jaraw li jibda proċess ta' riġenerazzjoni Ewropea. Riġenerazzjoni li trid issir fi żmien imqalleb fejn l-Unjoni Ewropea qed taffaċċja sfidi kbar. Tinħass il-ħtieġa li 60 sena wara t-Trattat ta' Ruma li fisser il-bidu tal-Unjoni Ewropea hemm bżonn li l-mexxejja Ewropej ifasslu viżjoni mġedda għal ġejjieni. Dibattitu li wkoll irid jibda waqt il-Presidenza Maltija.
Launch a process to renew Europe under the Maltese presidency. We have several challenges: immigration, security, the digital Europe, and we have to relaunch the integration process from Malta to Rome, thinking of the 60 years of the Treaty of Rome and going beyond.
Well, I hope that Europe, which is looking for an innovation and modernization, is giving a good purpose for this meeting, so that we can show that we are together, united, on the many areas that our citizens are concerned with, like security, foreign policy, migration. And I think also on social inclusion.
And we need to go further with the European Union and to have some priorities. I'm very interesting to read the proposal of Malta about that because it was quite in the same line than the meeting in Bratislava some months ago. So we need to go further with the monetary and economic union. We need also to try to take new decisions in the field of security and defense, in migration. So